Good morning. Very difficult day today. I can't get my car started and I have to go to work. Absolutely no idea why this isn't working. Like, I'm getting in here, pressing the right buttons. Nothing. I'm trying to turn the key. Absolutely nothing. This is ludicrous. Like, I have to get to work and it's not working. I don't know why. Let me call my dad. Hey, car won't start. What do you mean? Yeah, I checked the tires. Did I put fuel in it? Of course I put fuel in it. The red one. Do you think I should check the spark plugs? I honestly don't know why it won't start. Yeah, so car's not starting. I don't know. I really don't know what it is. I mean, yeah. Oh, I didn't really want to go to work anyways. So guys, you should check this out. Look at this out. I have the Guinness World Record for the biggest cable machine known to man. 600-pound weight, largest pulley system. And look. Skip work for that. Well worth it.